Okay, it's a little parcel of Boulder Opal pieces from central Queensland, up from the Winton area. Rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted the white, which you can see on some of the pieces. Right there is the light reflection. I'll just go in a little bit closer for you. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer. This piece has been semi-finished. People are cutting high quality stones, and sometimes you get pieces like this that they don't think's worth working on anymore, but for a lot of people that's a top gemstone. It's been semi-polished, shaped up. Not a lot of work to finish that off, I don't think. The other pieces, need to trim off some of these pieces to finish them off. It's nothing much, that bit. It's got a nice blue sheen. Not sure how much the camera's picking that up, but quite nice. Again, the blue bar down the middle, probably cut most of this off. It's a little bit undulating. The last piece, you can see there it's been already chased a little bit, the colour, but it's again probably Dremel job. Alright, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.